What's up, everybody? Welcome to ToxicHustle as we launch our latest product, our Christmas Ugly Sweater Pack Volume 1. This is going to help you be able to start selling all over print on demand shirts today, soon as you purchase. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this template, use this pack to be able to boost your sales and to get ready to lock in for this holiday season. So let's get down in. Right now we have our background. So when you buy it, you unzip the pack. This is what you'll get. You'll get a backgrounds folder, a characters folder, and Printify all over print templates. And then of course there's a link right here. We'll get to that in a minute, but let's go ahead and show you what's in here inside your pack. What you have is you have your backgrounds right here. All of these are large images, high resolution images. So what you're going to do, so what we have here, let me go ahead and make these larger. So you have 5 different backgrounds here. We're going to be using this one in our template. And then so all these backgrounds are good to go. Now, if you just design with this, you can put them up. You'll have a larger size than what is in your template pack, because your template pack, which I'll show you in a minute, is actually a conglomeration of 2 of these images back to back. So that there's more detail into the actual design that we're giving you. But you'll see it in a second. You'll see what I mean. And then you have your backgrounds. So you have 5 backgrounds. You have 5 characters. You got Santa on a Harley, got DJ Santa, you've got high-tech Santa with his drones that can make deliveries, as well as he's flying his sleigh with a tablet. You also have Spy Santa and Mrs. Claus, and you have Metallo Claus, right? You have the Santa and Mrs. Claus on drums, and he's hitting the axe. So those are the images that you can use. And then here we have our Printify all over print templates. These are just the backgrounds, but they're the backgrounds based off of the template that when you click here, it's based off of this actual template. So you have a full sweater, and there you have the back, front, collar, the left sleeve, the right sleeve, the waistband, the cuffs, which is the sleeve cuffs. You can do stuff on here differently, but it's only going to take one image because they're both exactly the same. It's the same image. I just wanted to give you the choice if you wanted to add a design or do some editing, like taking a part of the background and putting it on the sleeve, you can do that. So you can, and then that way you can just upload both of them. But right now, only the left cuff is there and the right cuff will be the same. Then you have your background here. All of these backgrounds are all preset and ready to go. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back into there and double click this, and I'm going to log into Printify, and it's going to be right here. I'm already logged in. If not, when you come to this page, there'll be like a login and register. And then what you'll do is you can start designing. But here's a suggestion. What you're going to want to do is go into your account and go into My Files. And then what you'll do is click New Upload and upload each individual image. Now, I used background image, I used the Printify template number 4. And I've already uploaded the files because they do take quite some time. You can see how large they are, 7,000 pixels, 1,400 pixels. So you can see they're big. Pause. So what we'll do is go back. So those images are already uploaded for you. Uploaded for me. I already uploaded them. I didn't want you to wait on me. And then what we'll do is you can say start designing, and I'll close this out. And then I'm hitting the space bar, and I can drag this around. Now you'll have your front side, back, right, left cuff panel, right cuff panel, the collar, the waistband, all this, and then you hit all areas, and then you get to see it all together. Let's hit the space bar so you can see the colors up there. So front side. I'm going to go to the library. With the files that I told you, go ahead and upload first and hit front. And it's there. Click the back. Library. Back. Right sleeve. Library. Right sleeve. Left sleeve. Library. Left sleeve. Left cuff panel. That. Library. Left cuff. The right cuff panel, we know is going to be the same file because it's pretty much the same image unless you make any changes. The collar. Now this one ends up being a little weird for some reason. So what you'll have to do is click and just stretch it out to the edge. Same for this side. Just stretch it out to the edge. So now you have your image there. The waistband, add a design, library, waistband. And now when you hit all areas, I'll hit the space bar so that I can drag it down. You can see it all. Let me zoom out a little bit. And now you see collar, waistband, right cuff, left, right sleeve, all that's there. Now on the front side, what I'm going to do is throw an image in the middle of this. And what I'm going to use, add another design from the library. And I already have my character number 5 that I'm using here, which is Shredder Santa. Click on that. And now we have it in here. I don't have to remove a background. Okay. And then we'll just click this and lower the size down. And then when you have that, see how those red lines, you have the right down to center. Now I have a left and right, and it's dead center. But I'm going to move it up just a little bit. Right there. And now we're ready. So here, notice you have sizes and it says only large. What I want to do is select, and I'm going to go ahead and activate the rest of my sizes. So there we are. So now we have our extra smalls to double extra large. And we have all of our areas ready to go. What we're going to do is click Save Product. And now your t-shirt, or excuse me, your ugly sweater is all set. So then the only thing you would do is give it a title, fill in your description, and then make a decision of the profit margin you want to sell for. You can keep the defaults, or if you don't, because the profit margin is really big on these, you may want to reduce this down to where you're making $10 per shirt profit margin. And then once you're done, you'll click Publish. And I already made one already, but then it's going to be published to your product store. What I'm going to do is wait for it. But anyway, so now your product is ready to go. It's published. I'm going to unpublish it. Because I don't want it on my shop quite yet. I'm just going to save it as a draft. So that way it's not on the store. But there you are. You saw me create the shirt. You saw me put the graphics onto the shirt, get it designed. and then click and publish it to the website. If you're thinking that you need a store when it comes to Printify, what you can do is when you're in here, you can go to add a new store, and there's a thing that says launch pop-up store. That's how we created Hustle Gear. So if you visit the shop, they automatically give you a store in which you can generate your sales of your product right on the page. And you can see the store is the sweater is already inside the shop. So I hope that's helpful. These products, the graphics you can use for commercial usage, go out here and sell your products and lock down everything for the holidays. We should have another graphic pack coming out. Volume 2 is coming out this week as well. I've already been working on the images. We're just about done with that. So on behalf of Toxic Hustle, my name is J Tragic Jeffrey. Please visit ToxicHustle.com to see all of our products in our shop, and I'll see you next time.